Hello, Andra with WEFTEC Now. We are at the DuPont booth talking to Kimberly. Kimberly, how are you?
I'm great. How are you doing?
So good. Thank you for having us.
Thank you.
Tell us a little bit about what you brought to WEFTEC this year.
Sure, yeah. So what we brought to WEFTEC this year is a number of technologies focused on wastewater reuse and treatment. And, we're excited about this because a lot of these technologies have come in as acquired technologies from our acquisitions over the past couple of years. So that includes some of our ultrafiltration from Inga, from MEMCOR, particularly the submerged ultrafiltration, which we didn't have in our traditional portfolio for DuPont, as well as CCRO, which is closed circuit reverse osmosis, which allows for very high recovery, which is particularly important in wastewaters. It's also kind of like a natural anti-foulant type technology because of this cross-flow dynamic that happens within the system. And that has come through our acquisition with Desaltec, as well as MBR. So the other piece that DuPont did not have in its portfolio a couple of years ago was any sort of biological treatment. So now we have both MBR from MEMCOR, but also MABR, which is aerated bioreaction membrane. And we have a little samples of all of that here. But the exciting thing about Oxymem's MABR is that it's a very low energy way of biological treatment, which is really important as you want to be a sustainable company and you want solutions that are also energy reduction that affects costs, that affects carbon emissions, et cetera.
Yes. So what else do you want to tell me a little bit about DuPont this year?
So something that we are launching soon, November 8th, is the result of a partnership that we've been developing over the last couple of years with the Economist Intelligence Unit, which is now called Economist Impact. So with Economist Impact, what we've done is worked out a water city index. So what does that mean? It's a framework and an index to help cities all over the world understand where they are in terms of water resilience and water optimization. And the reason we embarked on this is because we really want to drive and partner with the rest of the world to help better drive optimization really everywhere. So wastewater is a great example, right? So most of our wastewater is wasted, so we don't want wasted water anymore. And that is just an amazing resource as well, right? So we can take a lot of fresh water off the table if we can do a better job reusing our resources, whether it's in the municipality, in the home, or in industry. So we have this idea of a water optimized world, right? Where you're not over-treating water, you're not under-treating water, and it's sort of an optimistic view because we believe we have what it takes to solve water in our lifetimes. And this is why we got involved with the Brave Blue World documentary, working with Paul Callahan and his team with the Brave Blue World Foundation and Blue Tech Research. And it's why we're partnering now with the Economist Intelligence Unit to launch something in the urban environment, really for cities, to help them understand where they are in terms of their water optimization. So it looks at sustainability, reliability, and accessibility for water. So a very broad set of 47 indicators. We looked at 51 cities. And I think you might find some surprising results. I can't talk about the specifics right now, but yeah, we want this index to be an annual update. So we're planning for 2022, another 50 cities. And these are, global cities, so hopefully we're getting as much diversity as possible. There will be an interactive tool online where you can go and you can compare different cities. You can sort of look for your sister city. You can gamify if you changed indicators, how that would change your score, what other cities doing that you can learn, and all the resources and every bit of research, the survey results, everything is in there. So it's completely transparent, completely free, open to everyone.
Holy cow, that's wonderful.
Yeah.
Well, I can't wait to hear more, and we'll see you next year for sure. Kimberly, where can we get more information about DuPont?
Well, certainly our website. So one thing we're super proud of, and you see some of these monitors around here, is over the past couple of years, we have developed a whole library of customer narratives and customer stories. We call it customer voices on our website. And these are very compelling, beautiful videos that can tell the story through our customers' eyes. So it's a way to engage. I think the other exciting resource that we have are our webinars. So we have so much free education out there, from like reverse osmosis 101, how to change an ion exchange bit, like all different aspects of water and water treatment across all of our technology portfolio, as well as some, sprinkled in thought leadership discussions with other leaders in the water sector. So we have one with L'Oreal, we have one with Kimberly Clark, with Economist Intelligence Unit to talk a bit about the index, Blue Tech Research, talk a bit about Brave Blue World. But, you can definitely meet us here at the booth, and you can talk to any of the staff here, but certainly we're available offline as well.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Kimberly. I really, really appreciate you taking the time today.
Thank you very much. Appreciate the opportunity. Thank you.
Absolutely. Well, stay tuned for more at WEFTEC Now.